Hey guys, I'm testing and trying this Ospelef black foldable spiral clipboard folio with a storage zipper pouch. So it comes with a 5 plastic folders with 10 pockets, refillable lined notepad. The hardcover project organizer with 39 stickers. So let's open up this and then show you the quality and everything. So as a first impression, it's a nice quality here. So just take this protective thing out. So it's a spiral bounding and the folio, so with the clipboard. So here is the clipboard that you can use to put in the paper and write something on it. This also come with the stickers here and the 39 stickers that you can use, and then these pockets. So the 5 plastic folders here that you can use to put in the things. So there are total 10 pockets, and this is a zipper that you can store your pen, pencils, or whatever you want to use, and it's a zipper as well. And then a notepad to write stuff, and you can refill that or use a different notepad here. So this is basically a small stuff, and this small pocket can also be used to store your mobile or anything you want. And this elastic band can come top of it, and you can also store a pen and things here. So there are 5 colored folders with 10 pockets, PVC zipper pouch, interior pocket, and you can store this and close up this. So it's a very nice build design, and it's small folio for your use or refill, and then it's pretty nice. And the large spirals help turn and lay flat. And yeah, like it's a nice like elastic pen loop also. So here you have the elastic pen loop that you can store your pen and folders. So a nice folio.